Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me. Today we're starting with a new letter G. Uske basic words 50. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Game, khel. He won the game. Gate, dwar. The gate is locked. Gift, upahar. I received a gift on my birthday. Girl, ladki. The girl is playing outside. Good, acha. She is a good student. Grass, ghas. The grass is wet after the rain. Glass, kanch. The glass broke into pieces. Green, hara. The tree has green leaves. Ground, zameen. He fell to the ground. Grape, angur. I ate some grapes for breakfast. Great, mahan. She is a great leader. Goal, laksh. His goal is to become a doctor. Ghost, bhoot. The house is said to be haunted by a ghost. Gun, banduk. He fired the gun in the air. Gas. The kitchen used gas for cooking. Garden, bagicha. She grows flowers in her garden. Group, samuh. The group is working on a project. Gold, sona. She wears a gold necklace. Grand, bhavya. The grand palace was built centuries ago. Globe, goal, दुनिया. We use a globe to study geography. उसका physical representation earth का उसको globe कहते हैं. Girl, लड़की, the girl is playing outside. Giant, Vishal. The giant towered over the town. Gather, ikatha karna. She gathered all the papers for the meeting. Grown, bada. The boy has grown into a man. Get, prapt karna. I will get a new phone tomorrow. Give, dena. I will give you my book tomorrow. Guide, margdarshak. The guide took us to the museum. Gallon. The car uses a gallon of gas every 30 miles. एक measurement है वो. Goal, laksh. The goal is to become a doctor. Glove, dastana. He put on his gloves before going outside. Gentle, Soumya. She has a gentle personality. Garden, bagicha. She grows flowers in her garden. Giraffe, giraffe. The giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. सबको पता होगा giraffe एक जानवर है. Gum, chewing gum. वो चबाते हैं खसा खसा खसा. I like chewing gum while studying. Don't be a gift. Pratibhashali. She is a gifted artist. If you like chewing, chew some raw vegetables like carrots, healthy red carrots, or ankurit beej. Koi, yes. Gasp, Hamfna. She gasped when she saw the surprise. Glide, Sarakna. The bird glided gracefully across the sky. Glow, Chamakna. The fire glowed brightly in the night. Grin, Muskarana. He grinned when he heard the good news. Gain, Prapt Karna. He gained a lot of experience from his internship. Guilt, Aprad Bodh. He felt a deep sense of guilt after lying to his friend. Glani, जिसमें आपको लग रहा है आपने कुछ गलत कर दिया. Grade, Shreni. She received an A grade on her exam. Grab, Pagadna. He grabbed his coat and left the house. Gloom, Udasi. The news of his failure filled him with gloom. Gamble, Jua Khelna. He decided to gamble on the stock market. Glory, Mahima. The team celebrated their victory in all its glory. Go, Jana. I have to go to the store. Greatly, Atyadhik. She was greatly affected by the news. Gland, Granthi. The thyroid gland produces hormones that regulate metabolism. Germ, Kitanu. Washing your hands can help prevent germs from spreading. That's that for today. I will see you in the next one.